Okay, for problems like these, it's a lot of it is just knowing your log rules and knowing how your ln and e's work, and basically just your log rules come in very helpful here. But so I'll start up here with this one. So we have ln e to the fourth. Now this one should be really simple, really quick. The ln and e sometimes get a little they're scary to look at first, but they're very simple, especially in this one. So if we have ln and e multiplied by each other, they cancel because they're inverses. So in this case, it's just going to be ln e to the fourth, but ln e are inverses, so those will just equal 1. So basically we just have 1 times 4, so our answer for this one is simply just 4, because ln and e are inverses, when they multiply by each other, they will just equal 1. Now, for this one, for number two, we know with our change of base rule, whatever, using log bases is the same as our variable up here. If we have the same base that we're trying to get to, then it's just going to be 1, because basically we're saying 4 to what power equals 4. So simply it's just 1. And because these cancel, because that's all it's trying to say. That's all this it means the same thing as this. Both are saying 4 to what power equals 4. So simply it's just 1. Now for this one, we have different numbers here, no ln's canceling or anything. So I like to make it 3 to the x power equals 27, because these are saying that both of these equations are saying the same thing. Both are saying 3 to what power equals 27. And now it's simple. We know that 3 times 3 is 9, so 3 squared equals 9, and 9 times 3 is 27. So simply 3 cubed equals 27. So our answer is x equals 3, or just 3. Okay. Now for this one, we have the same idea going on as number 2 up here. See, we have, with this one we ended up with 1 because these cancel. So once again we have the same base, same number here, so all of this is just going to equal 1. Because these cancel because they're the same bases, and then we multiply it by 5, so our answer is just 5. Same idea with this one, just this one being 1, it's basically what we have here, except we have another exponent. So this whole base right here is 1, and then we just have the 5 remaining. Okay, now for this one, it's kind of the same idea. We know that 4 squared equals 16, but I like to make it simpler for myself by making it 4 to the x equals 16 to the 5th. Because these are saying the same thing, once again, same as all these others. This is saying 4 to what power equals 16 to the 5th. So 4 to what power equals 16 to the 5th. And now we can use our rules from the other video, and we can do 4 to the x equals, we know 4 squared equals 16. So we can replace that and do 4 squared to the 5th. Now we have the same bases, so we can do our log base 4, and we cancel that all out. We're left with x equals 2 times 5, so x equals